does it feel?
How does it feel?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's like, what the fuck? Who?
Red.
Like, holy shit. Like on BitTube, they have like 900 CDs or something. It's intense.
It's because they're that sexy.
Yeah, it's really stuff. Try again, you suck it. Wow, that's some intense glue. Is that possible to cut through both at the same time?
Polishing such cleaning bits, I think.
Polishing for what?
Polishing cleaning bits.
Well, we're not going to use these, are we? Or are we? I don't know. Because they look pretty soft.
Yeah, they're pretty soft.
Looks like they're going to just melt. It's a fluff or something.
That's why you lower the speed when you use them.
Yeah. How about these?
Here we go.
Blue. Oh! That's next level.
White oxygen.
Whoa.
It's going there though. Get hair for a little time.
We're gonna get there. We're gonna probably cut it soon. And Mom will be like, WTF? I'll be like,
With bullet hole Rubo.
You still blood it. There. I know it was like restoring a song. You want to hear it on like the video?
No, because they censor it.
Huh?
They censor it.
like,
happy. I'm feeling glad against sunshine.
like paper glue or something?
Every word he says in that song.
Yes.
You guess?
Theo, draw a picture of that. Focus, focus, focus.
We got 6 more pieces. 6 more pieces. And there's our first corner. Look at my eye! Holy shit! Oh god! That was not nice. Damn you, Dremel. I guess nothing's sent anywhere there, because it goes this way. We got 6 more pieces. Kill that piece, kill that piece. Is that done? Almost. We got 6 more pieces.
Oh, this for 2 megapixels.
God, need my new camera.
Fine, now, dude. 11:47, an hour.
Pardon me?
I have an hour.
You have an hour left?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is pretty much done, and then we need to smooth out the edges, drill the drill holes, then we're done.
Smoothing it out takes some work.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just, like, I think I could do it. I don't know. You can show me. Like, if you have to leave, like, if we don't have enough time, then...
I have to cut more off of here and all that shit.
Really? Yeah. Well, not to be, like, supremely perfect. It just has to be smooth, so I don't cut myself ever.
This is a really bad version of the song.
Maybe. What? What's wrong with it? It sounds good.
I like it.
Song's in.
I like the song. Do you guys remember what the song's called?
Sarah Crack now. Mark Brown. Now we got 5 pieces. We got the polishing kit. Wait, no, we got 6. One of them was hiding. We got 6. Yeah. Goes the bit. We actually have 6 more, not 5. I found another one.
Legs are so much pain.
The fuck was that? Oh, we're finished. Sweet. It's not a fake hole, it's real. I can put my hand through it. Yeah, you take a break.
What?
We'll clean up. We'll clean this shit up.